Good morning, Standard 5 students. Today in this class, we will discuss about fun time, question number F and question number G, HOTS and H fun time. So, it is here we will start with question number F. Up to 5 we have discussed in the previous class. So, today we will discuss from question number 6. So, first is explain filtration with the help of a diagram. Answer is we can separate the mixture of soil and water by using a filter paper. That means the insoluble impurities can be removed by filtering by using a filter paper. This process is called filtration. Filters are made up of porous material. Tiny holes are present in the filter. And these holes are so tiny that it can allow only water to pass through, but it traps the insoluble impurities present in the water. It does not allow any other impurities to pass. Only water can be passed to the filter paper. So, the mixture of soil and water should be poured over the filter paper. We will see drops of clear water trickle into the beaker and collect as a clear filtrate. Soil particles will be left on the filter paper. So, you can see the picture here. So, for this what we do, we take a filter paper, fold it and we make a cone like structure here. We make a cone like structure from the filter paper by folding it half and then again half. So, it becomes a cone like then with that cone it should be put inside the filter paper. After this we will take the filter paper and we will put inside the funnel, and this funnel we will put over the container and we will put the mixture over the filter paper. Then we will see that the solid residue remains. The solid residue remains in the filter paper. You can see in this picture the solid residue remains in the filter paper and the water collect in the beaker. That means the filtrate, that is known as filtrate, and the solid that is collected in the filter paper is known as residue. So, we can separate both impurity and water or any other liquid from this mixture. Now, next is 7 number question. Name the different steps involved in the purification of water. So, the different steps involved in the purification of water are sedimentation. So, what is sedimentation? Water is collected in large tanks and left undisturbed for some days. The heavier insoluble impurities settle down at the bottom of the tank. That is known as sedimentation. In this, the water should be left undisturbed. Now, next is filtration. In the filtration process, the clear water obtained after sedimentation is filtered. The water is passed through filters made of sand, gravel and charcoal to remove the small floating particles. So, all small floating particles are removed by filtration. Then the water, this clear water may contain germs because germs are not killed here. Water is then disinfected with a very small quantity of chlorine gas to kill bacteria. This water is now safe for drinking. This water is then stored in a water tank. So, after chlorination, chlorine kills the germs present in the water. So, we do pass chlorine gas so to kill the germs present in the water. Now, we will start HOTS question. HOTS G number, answer this. First question is, which layer of the atmosphere has clouds? So, the first layer of the atmosphere called troposphere has clouds. We live in this sphere only, and all the weather changes occur in this sphere. You can see here clouds are present here and here. It gives rain also. So, troposphere is the layer where clouds are present. Now, question number 2 is, why do mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders with them when they climb mountains? The mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders with them because as we go higher and higher above the surface of the earth, the thickness of air becomes less and it's harder to breathe at high altitude since there is less oxygen available to them. So, when we go higher and higher, air becomes less and they feel difficulty in breathing because the oxygen in the air becomes less. So, whenever they go high mountains, they take oxygen cylinder so that they cannot feel difficulty in breathing. You can see in this picture also, the mountaineers has carried oxygen cylinder. Next is, why should we store purified water in a closed vessel? Answer is, water can become contaminated when left in an open container Many dust particles can fall over, and many other insects can also fall. So we should store purified water in a closed vessel, so any dust particles or any other insect cannot fall inside the water to make it contaminated. Now next question number 4 is, the ozone layers are getting destroyed by various chemicals. How will it affect us? Answer is, ozone depletion is a major environmental problem, and we are only causing this environmental problem because we have created many industries, factories, and vehicles. These are releasing large amount of gases and some poisonous gases and carbon dioxide also. These all gases causes the depletion of ozone layer, that is very important for us, and it increases the amount of ultraviolet radiation because ozone layer absorbs the ultraviolet radiation and protect us from the skin cancer and many other health damages. So if it will be depleted, then what will happen? The earth surface, it increases the rate of skin cancer, eye cataracts, and genetic and immune system damage. So it is very dangerous. So we should not pollute our environment, and we should keep it clean. We should try to lessen the pollution. Now students, we will discuss about question number 5. That is, why do we add bleaching powder, chlorine to kill germs in lakes and or river water? So we add bleaching powder or chlorine to kill germs in lakes and river because a small amount of these do not cause harmful health effects and provides protection against waterborne diseases also. So outbreak of waterborne diseases can be prevented by adding chlorine gas to kill germs in water. Now next question we will see. Fun time H, that is, unscramble the letters to form meaningful words. There is scrambled words are given, and we have to make meaningful words from these scrambled words. So first will become atmosphere, second will become exosphere, third is jaundice, fourth is nitrogen, fifth is humidity, sixth is filtration, and 7 is distillation. So we can see all these are meaningful words made from the scrambled words given in the left side. So all these are meaningful. Now next we will meet in the next class. Thank you students. Thank you all of you.